There are several scenarios in which a layout designer may need to short two nets together that are not shorted in the schematic. For example, a sense line for a power supply, or multiple ground nets that must tie together for noise reduction. For example, ground, analog ground, and digital ground. Expedition now supports these use cases through the use of new route objects called tiebars. In this video, we will go through a few examples of how tiebars can be used and managed in Expedition layout. Shown here is an example tiebar, which belongs to a drawing cell that contains certain text information. Like any other drawing cell, this tiebar can be modified in Cell Editor. To choose your active tiebar, use the key in DTBC, or Define Tiebar Cell, followed by the cell name you want to use. Once you have selected your active tiebar cell, enter the plow command to place the tiebar. In the middle of the plow, press the T key. This should make a netline type object appear, asking you where the second net is located. After you pick the second net, you can define the length of your tiebar, and then right-click again. This will place your text information and allow you to complete the plow. To define a different default tiebar cell, we will use the DTBC command and enter the cell name. To place the tiebar, we will again begin plowing. We'll press the T command to choose our second net and then place our tiebar. Tiebars may also be added on the fly or without using a library drawing cell. Once again, we will place a tiebar, this time with no drawing cell information. We will plow from this via, then use the T command. We'll select our second net and place our tiebar accordingly. This gives us just the special trace object, which allows for net shorting. Tiebars are flexible and may be used to connect any route objects, including vias, pins, and plane shapes, and they can assume any desired length or width. In this example, we can create a tiebar on the fly between two plane shapes, and then increase the width with the change width command. Another important note is that tiebars do not trigger DRC violations. For a report of all tiebars in the design, select Analysis, Allowed Net Shorting Report. Tiebars in Expedition are a key technology enabler, allowing designers the freedom to short critical nets in specific layout scenarios. These new objects can be managed in the library or used on the fly, allowing ease of use and ensuring that your PCB is correct by construction.